Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a circular image view in Android Studio. So we will use our beautiful library in this video, and I will show you how you can create this type of beautiful circular image. You can use this image as a profile image of your customer or the user of your app. So guys, video is going to be more important, and before start, please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. So first of all, here you can see that we have created a simple Android Studio project, and now I will open my Chrome, and you have to search here circle image view, circular image view. Press enter. Okay, here you have to click on this link. This is our library. By using this library, we can create circle image view. So you can create this type of circle image view. You can also give border to your image view of any color. Okay guys, now let's move on towards its implementation. To implement this, we have to copy this dependency and open your Android Studio, open your build.gradle module level file, and in the below section we have to paste this library. That's it. And now we have to press the sync now button. So our library have been synced. Now again open the Chrome, and we have to copy this XML code. Copy this one, and open your Android Studio, open activity underscore main, and here we have to paste our this code. So this is the complete code, and here you can see that it is giving us error because we don't have copy and paste any image inside our drawable folder. So first of all, let me do this. I'm going to again open the Google, and here I will search for profile image. Okay, I will select this image, save image as desktop, press save button, copy this, open your Android Studio, and we have to right click on the drawable folder and click on paste button. Select the drawable folder. You don't have to select v4, you have to select drawable only. Press OK button, and I'm going to name this profile.jpg. You can change your name. So guys, here you can see that our profile image have been appeared in a circular formats. So first of all, it is giving us an error because we don't have constrained. So we have to constrain it horizontally and constrain it to the top. Here we have to give the margin top would be 25 dp. That's it. So guys, by using this library, you can create this type of beautiful circular image inside your Android Studio. Now if you want to change the border color, here you can see that CIV border color. You can change your border color from black to red. Here you can see that our border color has been changed, and if you want to change the width of your border, you have to increase this dps. For now it is 2 dp. I will convert it from 2 dp to 4 dp. Here you can see that our border color, our border width has been changed. So I'm going to remain this as 2 dp, and I will choose a black border for our image because it is looking beautiful. So guys, I hope you must enjoyed this video, and if you have any question related to this tutorial, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. And finally, thanks for watching.